TedHair.
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 Their hair quality is so nice. You get nice bundles, the hair feels good, it looks good, and there's no shedding, no tangling. So if you have a way to get up here and you're looking to start your own venture or buy hair of great quality and you don't mind taking a ride, come up here and see TedHair.
We love it. No damages, no sheds. Dye's good. And it's great. I would recommend it to anyone. We actually got the lashes for $30 for $150. I would recommend anyone to come up here that's in the tri-state area. It's awesome. They made package deals, but we got our own.
And when I got the hair, I said, oh my God, this hair is so beautiful, and my customers love it. So that's why I continue to use them.
As you can see, these hair is popping. They cheap, okay? I'm number cheap, I'm cheap. Okay, so come on down. It's amazing. The starter package is the bomb, okay?
I find everything to be great here, and all the hair is lovely. I love all of them.
This is some good hair. Jason, come in, check him out. He's great customer service. He'll provide you all the information you need to get started on your hair journey, and you won't be disappointed. TedHair for the win. Yay!